Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super exciting. Seafood Massaman Curry with tender codfish and succulent shrimp. First things first, let's prep our seafood. Cook them however you like, but not all the way so you can finish it up with the sauce. If you're a fan of creamy, flavorful curries with a twist, this is the recipe you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Heat up some oil in a pan, then add your garlic and ginger. Sauté them until they're nice and soft. This will build the foundation of all those rich, aromatic flavors. Now, we're adding our coconut milk. This is what gives our curry that creamy texture and mellow sweetness. Here's what you'll need for this delicious seafood massaman curry. Codfish fillets, shrimp, coconut milk, massaman curry paste, ginger, and garlic. Here comes the magic ingredient, massaman curry paste. It's got that perfect blend of spices, like cumin, cinnamon, and a bit of heat. It's going to make your kitchen smell amazing. And of course, we'll add a few seasonings to bring out that perfect balance of rich and aromatic flavors. It's time for the seafood to shine. Add the cod and shrimp into your curry base. The cod will absorb the curry flavor and stay nice and flaky, while the shrimp cook up perfectly, juicy and tender. Look at that! The seafood is perfectly cooked, and everything is melding together into this rich, creamy curry. And there you have it. A beautiful bowl of seafood massaman curry with cod and shrimp. It's creamy, it's flavorful, and it's absolutely perfect for any seafood lover. You guys have to try this. It's the kind of dish that will impress your family or friends, but it's super easy to make. For the final touch, we're going to add some fresh cilantro to brighten everything up. Thanks so much for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments what other curries or seafood dishes you'd love to see on the channel. Until next time, happy cooking!